Hello students, how are you? So today we are going to start lesson number 4, that is entrepreneurial skills. So students, firstly, what is the meaning of entrepreneurial? Entrepreneurial means it's an online teamwork. You can say it's a businessman. Online teamwork, or you can say individually businessman. Means entrepreneurship means it is the ability to start a new business to earn profits by producing or marketing of goods and services to meet the requirements of customers. Understand, bache? I am repeating again. Entrepreneurship is the ability to start a new business. It is the ability to start a new business to earn profits. To earn profits by producing, or you can say marketing of goods and services to meet the requirements of customers. So bachche, what are the functions of online teamwork? Means what is the reason behind the successful businessman? Means how they can work online. So firstly we will discuss the presentation skills. Before starting online teamwork, firstly we will discuss the presentation skill, because presentation skills play very important role in online teamwork. So presentation skills. So first point is in presentation skill, that is PowerPoint, where we create the presentation in PowerPoint. Then what is the meaning of PowerPoint? Power means very powerful, जो बहुत energetic होता है, and point means point to point. So in presentation we should mention only points, write only points. No need to describe the points. We have to just write the name of the points. Firstly definition, then name of the points. Then second thing we should keep in mind, then create eye contact with the audience. Means we will keep the one paper on our hand and we will give our presentation. So our eye contact should be with audience. If we will see on the blackboard, then how we will interact with the audience? So it is very required thing to eye contact with the audience. Next, theme based. Means your presentation should be theme based. It should be in one color. Theme based means multicolors or one color. So our presentation should be in only one color, not multicolors. And fourth point is visual clips. We should add visual clips in our presentation, so it would be very attractive. Next, key points on paper. Means I have told you you have to write down the few key points on the paper, then we can interact with the audience properly, and our confidence level also should be very high. So now here we will see the definition of entrepreneurial. It is an individual's ability. ये एक person की individual ability है. Means एक particular person होता है इसमें businessman, to turn ideas into action. वो अपने ideas जो हैं वो दूसरों तक convey करते हैं. So it includes creativity, innovation, as well as ability to plan and manage projects. So I have told you, either you can say it is the ability to start a new business to earn profits by producing or marketing of goods to meet the requirements of the customers. So it is the ability to start a new business. This is the definition of entrepreneurship. Next, what are the examples of entrepreneurial skills? Which are the examples? The first is the business management skills. You must have business management skills. Next, your teamwork and your leadership. Means how you manage your co-workers or your seniors or your juniors. Means how you interact with the other people who are involved in your all the organization. Means teamwork and leadership skills. Next is the communication and listening communication and listening means how you communicate with the other people and how you react, how you listen. Each and everything are the entrepreneurial skills. Next is the customer service skills means how you provide the customer service, कि आप कस्टमर को कैसी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हो, इट इज़ ऑल्सो बेस्ड अपॉन. नेक्स्ट इज द फाइनेंशियल स्किल्स, हाउ मतलब हाउ यू मैनेज द फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन. नेक्स्ट इज द क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स, सो यू मस्ट बी हैव योर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स मीन्स लॉजिकली आपको उनको हैंडल करने का वे आना चाहिए. सो दीज ऑल आर द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द इंटरप्रेन्योरियल, मतलब दीज आपको ये ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा. बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स आने चाहिए. यू हैव द क्वालिटी ऑफ टीम वर्क एंड लीडरशिप, you have the quality of communication skills, customer service skills also, financial skills and critical thinking. So बच्चे, you please firstly read कि what do you mean by entrepreneurial and which things you can keep on your mind while making the presentation, and what are the function and what are the aspects you can use in entrepreneurship. So next topic we will do in our next video session. So goodbye बच्चे.